Okay. So I'm her model for today. Let's get on with the shit. Oh,
Today is for proper hotness. Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Julieta Cynthia. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to tie the center bow gele. If you are interested in watching this video, please do keep on watching.
okay. So I'm her model for today. Let's get on with the shit. Oh,
Okay, so guys, I'm going to be doing this mini tutorial. This tutorial, I'm going to quickly do it. This is the fabric I used for my cap gele in my last video. Is it my last video? My second to the last video.
I think 17.
Okay. Do you even used to watch my? Do you have? Are you my channel?
See, me, I'm always watching your videos.
All these
Better
people.
acknowledge me.
Anyway, guys,
Acknowledge me.
I'm not going to show my face because my face where this girl is.
Yeah, I take the
Something
spotlight,
else.
baby.
Okay, so this is my Ashok. This is my material. I'm going to divide it into like this, so that it's not too broad for me to tie. So this is it, like this. So at the same time, I'm going to be dividing into two like this to know the measurement for this material. Dividing into two like 50-50, like this. So yes, this 50-50. So here I'm going to make some pleats, like 3 pleats. I'm making the bow gele. So one, two, three. Let's just make four. So I already make my pleats. If you don't know how to make your pleats, then you should definitely go and watch my video that I made. This is my last video. So yeah. So guys, after you might have tied this material tightly, you are going to be folding the flaps. I spread this material, then I'm going to be folding the flaps, then I'm going to be folding it the other way. As you can see, it's actually self-explanatory. Yeah. So guys, at this point you are going to be folding the extra material, going to be folding the extra fabric, and you're going to be pinning them down. You're going to be folding it down to where I did my bow. I'm going to be using pins to hold this down. So now all you have to do is arrange your bow and make it look perfect. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to this beautiful channel, join the family. If you love this video, please do give it a thumbs up and tell me what you think about this look down the comment section. Thank you for watching to this end. Bye.